today's a special one. Game of Thrones is one of my favorite shows of all time, and it truly changed the expectations of what a television show could be. One of the overarching themes in the show is the threat of the White Walkers and the Blue Eyes White Dragon.
I call on the Blue Eyes White Dragon! No way!
Oh, not that one, but that one's cool. I'm talking about the White Walker Viserion, which can be seen in the end of Season 7 and Season 8 of the show. Everyone's favorite seasons. No, that's not right. Okay, jokes and memes aside about Season 7 and 8, you can't argue that White Walker Viserion is pretty awesome. Don't believe me? Well, here's Exhibit A. I mean, for 7 seasons we've been hinting at the wall coming down and possibly how it would come down, and the fact that Viserion gets to do it makes him pretty awesome, right? Despite the last 2 seasons of the show kind of being a highlight reel of a story, Viserion was a new and unique aspect of the show, and that made him pretty awesome to me. For anyone who's still on the fence here's Exhibit B. Okay, I doubt anyone was still on the fence of how awesome White Walker Viserion is, and you just wanted to see more footage of him, and honestly I did too, so there you go. Okay, enough setup. Let's talk about the 3D print. After the wall came down, I knew immediately that I wanted to 3D print White Walker Viserion, and not just print it, but also paint it and finish it too. I don't really have the option to do that here because I'm in a small apartment, but I got to go home and I finished and painted it, and I think it came out pretty great. Let's check it out.
So all the pieces were 3D printed on my Creality CR10 in a white PLA. The wings were printed in 2 pieces each, the body was 1 piece, and the tail and neck were both several pieces each, all of which needed to be glued together. After the dragon was assembled, I put down several coats of a white spray paint as a base coat. Then I hand painted the body with an acrylic light blue paint. These paints work great on PLA prints. This gave a great White Walker undead look to the dragon. Then I went over the print with a black acrylic paint. While parts of the body are Arctic blue, the body remains a near black color. The entire process took several days after printing was finished, and once finished, I was amazed of how well it came out. One day I definitely plan to print his 2 larger siblings, Drogon and Rhaegal. I'll fill the gaps in the wings to make them screen accurate. This is definitely one of my favorite things I've ever printed. This print is definitely a conversation starter, and I will always look back at the project with pride of all the work I put into it. What do you guys think of the print? Let me know in the comment section down below.
What about you guys? What did you think of the show? Are you excited for the new show House of the Dragon? I know I am because George R. R. Martin's back involved. What should I print next? Let me know in the comments down below, and feel free to like and subscribe as well. And until next time, bye-bye.